Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from TD Bank to Cash App. To get started, open Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Link Banks. If you haven't linked your Teddy Bank yet, tap Link Bank or Link Debit Card. You can choose to enter your Teddy Bank debit card details or tap No Card. To search for TD Bank and sign in using your TD Bank online banking username and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking your account. Once your Teddy Bank is linked, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Teddy Bank to Cash App. Then tap Add. Choose your transfer speed, confirm the transfer, and that's it. The money will move from TD Bank straight into your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.